one little glitch that we need to sort out here is that by default the items that come in to my start point into the top of my pipe aren't presented by default in chronological order. Instead they're clustered depending on the source they come from. So items from 10,000 words, fresh new ones and slightly older ones will also all appear together, and they will appear separate to fresh items and older items from Buzz Machine. And what I really want is for these items to appear chronologically. So I can do that by adding in a kind of filter here. Now we were working under sources. That was where we got this element here, the fetch feed element. But if we go down and look under operators, we find various things, including one called sort. So what I've done is I've clicked and I've dragged and I've created this sort unit here, and then I've changed my links so that now the feed out from fetch feed goes into sort, and then it carries on to the pipe output. So clearly I'm adding into that pipe a sort, and what I'm going to ask this to do is to sort things by date order. So various options here, but I can get items sorted by publication date, and then I can get them in descending order, and that means that the freshest things go in at the top. So I added that in, I resaved, and then when I look at my feed, I find that things are now ordered chronologically, straightforwardly chronologically, freshest at the top. Okay, so then I've got the options of where I put this feed. I could do it get as a badge, and that would give me some code which I could paste into my blog or my website, and that would make a very nice, neat presentation of that feed. But we're going to save that for another masterclass, because at the moment we're looking at sorting out smartphone apps. So what we really want is an RSS feed. So I need to get that new RSS feed URL. And by clicking on there, I get that. Here it is. Here are all the items. Up at the top I have the new feed URL in the URLs field of my browser. I can cut and paste that into the iSites. As I'm building in iSites, I put that app in, that URL in, and that makes one unit of my application.